Adjusting focus plane. HD Apeiron 42 has a focus depth of ± 10 millimeters and will scan with focus, provided that the plane is adjusted correctly. The focus plane can be set to anywhere between the table surface and 5.1 inches or 130 millimeters above, and is found by moving the scan module up or down. Place your original on the table and tap Position in the software. Move the table so that your original is under at least one laser. For the most precise position, select the lasers that hit your original and tap the autofocus button. The scan module will now move up or down to find the focus plane of the selected lasers. These turn green when the best focus is reached. If more than one laser is selected, Next Image Apeiron calculates an average. So make sure that the lasers hit your original in areas that resemble as much of the original's surface height as possible and with the least amount of difference in height. If you wish to move the scan module manually, you simply press the up or down buttons until the lasers turn green.